Taurus by Earth, babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. And I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is the choice. The choice to step up and be your best self. The choice to not live in the past and those past woes, those past angers. You have been through so many lessons, so many obstacles. Do not stay there. A lot of people get comfortable in a tough time, in the darkness, in their own personal hell. And then they make accommodations where they can fit into the puzzle of discomfort. I want you to outgrow that. I want you to step into the new light, this new inspiration, a place that you don't understand that you're going. I mean, when you are uncomfortable, that's when you're in the most control. When you're out of control, you're in the most control for a breakthrough, to walk into something that's going to be more comfortable and worth actually stepping out on faith and doing. I choose serenity, light, and positive energy. That's all your way. No matter what I go through, I choose happiness. I rise above all fear because fear fears you. You look it in the eye, I guarantee it's going to sprint and run the other way. And then therefore, you just walk into your blessing and you walk into stability, happiness, and life. And I direct my thoughts to God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Stay on the love frequency. Maintain that. Life is not while surviving. It's going to feel about just living now and enjoying it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.